Hey everybody, this is a new to our used inventory, a 2021 Heritage Softail with under 500 miles. It's 334 to be exact. Absolutely beautiful machine. I think this is one of their best colors Harley-Davidson offers. We got a imitation gas cap here for design, and the real gas cap on this side, for instance. It's really given a classic callback to what it used to look like. We also have the windshield bags here. Some nice space, a good security setting. Passing lights, cruise control. This thing comes with as close to the touring capabilities as a Softail can, with the beautiful comfort of the solo seat, passenger pillion, and the backrest here, providing a bunch of comfort for you. And your passenger 6-speed transmission for that power output. The Milwaukee 8 engine. Saddlebags. Beautiful space in there. Hardcover with that soft leather look. LED lights in the rear. A little reflector here as well. Turn signals are LED. Again, hardcover. We do have the booklet and 2 fobs and 2 keys as well. Owner's manual's right in there. Passenger pegs with the floorboards for the driver. This is Cobra. I'm trying to zoom in here as much as possible. These are Cobra. Don't get a lot of light from this, from the saddlebag, but it is Cobra. Pipes, beautiful sound. They bow out at the end, increasing the diameter just a little bit more and creating a cool style here. It's got a 107 cubic inch as displayed by the air cover. It is a beautiful teal, if y'all are wondering. Windshield, passing lights, all LEDs, spoked wheels, Brembo brakes, single disc up front, single rotor. Absolutely beautiful machine. Come on down, give this thing a test ride today.